Hello children, welcome once again in Sanskrit class, and this is our college Shri Ramanuja Vidya Mandir. Here we are trying to learn moral values, the good things which we can take ahead with our self in our life, and we always try to be good human being first. And with this message, I would like to start this class. In this class, we will do Padya Bhaga lesson 2 Mayavatuhu exercises. So last class also, we have done 2 marks questions, 1 mark question. And in this class, first I'll make you learn annotations, and afterward we'll go through the 1 mark questions and 2 marks questions. Okay, we'll revise later. So first we'll start with Sandarbha Vakyani of Mayavatuhu. Now tell me children, how many of you are practicing Sanskrit after listening the recording or listening the lesson? You are going through the lesson or not? I would like to ask, do you have any problem or what anything? But one thing I must say, that though it is a new language or new subject for you, maybe in earlier stage it is difficult, but every time if you sit with the subject, if you try to learn, see, the literature is also like Hindi, there shouldn't be any problem. But some words you may feel difficulty in reading, but there is not at all need not to worry at all. You just try to write properly, and in examination ultimately you have to write and present. So presentation is overall important. So keep in mind that I'll do 100% my best in this subject. Okay, so with this confidence, I would like to start this Sandarbha Vakyani. Last class we have learned the story of Mayavatuhu, how Lord Shiva came to test Parvati and how he got married with Parvati. This is the story of Mayavatuhu. So let's start Sandarbha Vakyani. One thing you have to do, that every time whenever you are learning a new lesson, you have to make it in your notebook. So for that, be particular. Whenever you are writing your notes, you just write, first you write in rough note. If you feel that it's very good now, no mistakes are there, then only you fare it. Okay, so let's start children. The first Sandarbha Vakyani means annotation, means one sentence will be given and you have to identify that from which lesson that sentence is, who is the writer of that particular lesson, and what is the meaning of that sentence. Okay, so here first sentence is Sharira Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. Children, Sharira Madhyam, Sharira, Madhyam means medium. Body is the only medium to perform dharma or any worship or any good thing, isn't it? Without body, what can we do, isn't it? So here, when Lord Shiva enters in Parvati's garden, there after serving him, after by her hospitality, Lord Shiva was very happy with Parvati's hospitality, and he asked Parvati that, are you okay in this garden? Because are you taking care of your body? Are you taking care of yourself? Because body is the only mean to perform dharma. If you are going to meditate to get something, first you need to be fit and fine. So for this, body is very, very important. So here children, look at the sentence first, Sharira Madhyam Khalu Dharma Sadhanam. So here Kavi Parichay, here for annotation, first we have to write side headings. For first side heading, Kavi Parichay means from which lesson the sentence has been taken, who is the writer. Now the next Sandarbha, and when these words have been to whom, said to whom, and the Bhava means meaning. Here let's start with Kavi Parichay. So Sharira Madhyam madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam means here see, you can see vakyam idam, the word is given, but you can write idam vakyam, this sentence. This also you can write idam. Instead of this, you can write idam vakyam. Got it? idam vakyam mahakavinam kalidasena virachite, written by Kalidasa, virachite mayavatuhu iti paఠ్యభాగే asti. Listen it carefully, children. Idam vakyam or vakyam idam, in the place of vakyam idam, better you write idam vakyam mahakavinam kalidasena virachite मायावटुः इति पाठ्यभागे अस्ति. अयं पाठ्यभागः कुमारसम्भवः नामक महाकाव्यस्य पंचमसर्गात् स्वीकृतः अस्ति. This Mayavatu lesson is taken from Kumarasambhavam, which is written by Kalidasa, Kumarasambhavam of 5th lesson of Kumarasambhavam. Okay? So first what will we write? Idam vakyam Kalidasena virachite Mayavatuhu iti paఠ్యభాగే asti. Ayam paఠ్యభాగः Kumarasambhavah namaka mahakavyasa panchama sargat, means 5th chapter, from 5th chapter it is taken. Svikritah asti. This is about the writer and the lesson name of this sentence. Okay, that is Kavi Parichaya. Now the second is Sandarbha. Sandarbha means what is the situation when this sentence was told by one person to another. So Parvatyah tapah karanam vedutum brahmacharita eva pruchati. When Lord Shiva disguised himself as a Vatuhu or a brahmachari, after entering in garden, Parvati welcomed him, and he was also very happy with her hospitality. And after taking all the services from Parvati, he was very happy, and he was asking that, are you okay? Kushal Prashna means, are you okay? Everything is okay. Tapah karanaha. What is the reason of your meditation? Why you are doing? You have everything in your life. You are very beautiful girl. Any person, any king will be ready to marry with you. You have every facility in your life. What extra things you want in your life that you are meditating? These all are the questions from Lord Shiva. So all these questions also, only this was dharma sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. So are you okay? Everything is okay in this garden? He was asking to Parvati. Parvatyah tapah karanam. What is the reason of your meditation? Veditum brahmachari tam eva pruchati. He asked to Parvati. Now bhavaha means meaning of the sentence. He bale means he kanya. Kanya means unmarried girl. Dharma sadhanai, for performing one puja or dharma or any good thing, shariram adyam prathama sadhanam khalu. Body is the main thing by which we can do anything. So here sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. So first we'll write Kavi Parichaya. Children, keep in mind, for writing this Sandarbha Vakya, we have to write first Kavi Parichaya, next Sandarbha, and again Bhava. So idam vakyam mahakavinam Kalidasena virachite mayavatuhu iti paఠ్యభాగే asti. Ayam paఠ్యభాగः Kumarasambhavah. This lesson from where it is, this lesson is taken from 5th chapter of Kumarasambhava, and Kumarasambhava is written by Kalidasa. Idam vakyam mahakavina Kalidasena virachite mayavatuhu. See, inverted comma is there. You have to write like this only. Iti pathya bhage asti. And annotations you have to write in Sanskrit only. Ayam pathya bhagah Kumara Sambhavaha namaka mahakavyasya pancham sargat svikritah asti. Now Sandarbha means situation. Tap Parvatyah tapah karanam veditum brahmachari tam eva pruchhati. Brahmachari asked to Parvati, why you are doing meditation? While asking these questions, this sentence was told by that Brahmachari. Now Bhavaha. He Bale, this is, He Bale, Dharma sadhanaya. To get dharma, to get good result, to get result of the meditation, first you have to keep your body fit. So, Shariram Adhyam Pratham Sadhanam. So, body is the first source to perform dharma. So, you have to take care of this body. Okay. So, this is the first annotation. I hope you understood, but you have to learn by heart and practice. Okay. Let's see the next. Next Sandarbha is Manishibhi Saptapadina Muchyate. Here, children, when Lord Shiva disguised himself as Vatu and he entered in Parvati's garden to test her, Parvati welcomed him and she served him a lot by her hospitality. Shiva was that Vatu, Brahmachari, we shouldn't say Shiva, but he was Vatuhu or Brahmachari. He was very happy with Parvati's service, and there he asks to Parvati that our ancestors or our gurus says that after walking 7 steps together, one person becomes friend of another person. So here you, since you served me a lot and you made me happy, so you are I am like a friend for you. So you can tell me, if it is not a secret, you can tell me that why you are meditating here. This is the question. So Manishibhi Saptadina Muchyate. Saptapada. So here Kavi Parichaya again. Idam Vakyam Kalidasena Viratat. Same. Because the lesson is same, so you have to identify from which lesson these sentences is given. This is the main thing. You have to identify it first. So Mayavatu Kavi Parichaya will be same for all annotations from this lesson. Idam Vakyam Mahakavinam Kalidasena Virachite Mayavatuhu iti Pathyabhage asti. Ayam Pathyabhagaha Kumara Sambhava Namaka Mahakavyasya Panchama Sargat Svikritah asti. So these lines you have to by heart. No other option. You have to by heart and write without seeing. Check your mistakes, check your handwriting also, check your presentation also, because presentation is very, very important. So I will definitely check your notes after when offline classes will start. So keep your notes ready with good handwriting and good presentation, and try to complete all the portion as much as possible. You should complete, because afterward we cannot run. Okay, since it's a new subject, it will take time. That's why I am telling you again and again that sit with the subject, don't waste your time. Of course, you have other subjects also to read, but it is also very, very important and very, very scoring subject. So you have to sit, children. Now, Manishibhi Saptapadina Muchyate. Saptapad means 7 steps. Okay, so this word you keep in mind. So Idam Vakyam Mahakavinam Kalidasena Kavi Parichaya I am reading. Idam Vakyam Mahakavina Kalidasena Virachite Mayavatuhu iti Pathyabhage asti. Ayam Pathyabhagaha Kumara Sambhavaha Namaka Mahakavyasya Panchama Sargat Svikritah asti. Pancham Sargat means 5th chapter. Now Sandarbha. Parvatyah tapam karanam veditum brahmachari tam eva pruchati. Again, why you are meditating? What is the lack in your life that you are meditating to get that? So these all was the questions from brahmachari, and one of the if it is not a secret, you can tell me that because our ancestors or our elders or our gurus said that if a person walks 7 steps with other person, he will be good friend for other. So since you have served me a lot, I am very happy also. So if it is not a secret, you can tell me why you are meditating. So this is the Parvatyaha tapah karanam veditum brahmachari tam eva pruchhati. He asked it to her in this way. Okay. Now bhavaha means meaning. He sutano saptapadanam sambhashene sneham bhavati, means while walking 7 steps, there's conversation, between that conversation one person becomes good person to another. So here, since we are also together walked 7 steps, or you have served me a lot, so I am also like a friend for you, so you can tell me. He sutano saptapadanam sambhashanena sneham bhavati iti panditaha vadanti. Pandita means pandit, scholars or ancestors or gurus. Okay, they said that if a person walks 7 steps together, walking together, the conversation between 2 person, it makes them good friend. So this is the bhava of the lesson. Again, manishibhi saptapadina muchyate kavi parichayaha idam vakyam Mahakavina Kalidasena Virachite. See, again and again I am reading. So you also read in this way. You listen this recording again and again, so that this mistake will not be there. Mahakalidasena Virachite Mayavatuhu iti pathya bhage asti. Ayam pathya bhagaha Kumara Sambhavaha namaka mahakavyasya panchama sargata svikrataha asti. Sandarbha Parvatyaha tapah karanam veditum brahmachari tam eva pruchhati. Now bhava, he sutano saptapadanam sambhashanena, 7 steps conversation, sneham bhavati, friendship, 2 persons becomes friendship, panditaha vadanti, iti panditaha vadanti. In this, our ancestors or scholars told like this. Now, the third sandarbha. Now, the third sandarbha, while asking questions to Parvati that what do you want, because you are princess, you are daughter of Himavat, so you are a princess, you are very beautiful girl, there is nothing you want extra, you shouldn't, nothing is there that you need extra to you go for meditation and you want from gods. So everything is there in your life. What else you want that you are meditating? These all are the questions from Mayavatuhu. So here in that way, and again if you want a good and handsome husband, you are so beautiful, you are so beautiful that you are like a gem, because gem doesn't go to persons that and tells that you please take me in your ornament. A person goes to gem that to get it. You are also like a gem. Ratnam means gem. So anyone will come to you to get marry you, but you need not to go anywhere to search a person, right person for you, because everyone will be ready to marry you. So why you are meditating? Okay. So here, na ratnam anvishyati mrigyati hi tat. Here, ratnam anvishyati means search. Kavi parichaya, again, idam vakyam Kalidasena virachite Mayavatuhu iti pathya asti. Ayam pathya Kumara Sambhavaha namaka mahakavyasya panchama sargata svikrataha asti. Sandarbha Parvatyaha tapah karanam veditum brahmachari tam eva vadati. See, the sandarbha is same in every sentence. Why? The question, why you are meditating? You got beauty, you got everything in your life. If you want Swarga, your place, Himalaya is like Swarga, because gods come down in this place now and then. So you need not to go for Swarga again. You are so beautiful that any person want to marry you. So why you are meditating? While asking these all questions, these all sentences are there. So that is why in Sandarbha it has been given that Parvatyaha tapah karanam veditum brahmachari tam, means to her, this he was asking the questions to her. Parvatyaha tapah karanam veditum brahmachari tam eva pruchhati. Pruchhati means asks. Now bhava, he sutano, loke jana eva ratnam anvishyati. Loke means in this world, jana means people only search for gem. Gem will not search for the people. So this is the bhava for this lesson. Sentence. Bhava, loke means in this world, jana people, eva means only, ratnam anvishyanti, they search for gem. Okay, so here na ratnam anvishyati, anvishyati means search. Mrigyate hi tat. Vakyamidam mahakavinam kalidasena virachita mayavatuhu iti पाठ्यभागे अस्ति. अयं पाठ्यभागः कुमारसम्भवः नामक महाकाव्यस्य पंचमसर्गात् स्वीकृतः अस्ति. संदर्भः पार्वत्याः तपं कारणं वेदितुं ब्रह्मचारी ताम् एव वदति. भाव, लोके जनाः एव रत्नम् अन्विष्यति. So this next is क्लेशः फलेन हि पुनर्नवतां विद्यते. पुनर्नवतां, this word again she came her original beauty. While doing this meditation, she became very thin and she got dirty and all. But after tap or meditation, after getting boon from Lord Shiva, she again became very beautiful. This is the Punarnavatam. Punar means again, Navatam means new. Okay. So here Kavi Parichaya, idam vakyam mahakavinam Kalidasena virachite Mayavatuhu iti पाठ्यभागे अस्ति. पाठ्यभागः कुमारसम्भवः नामक महाकाव्यस्य पंचम सर्गात् स्वीकृतः अस्ति. Now Sandarbha. See, Kavi Parichaya will be same in every Sandarbha. Means every Sandarbha means not full chapters. In this chapter, Sandarbha. Once, children, I will tell you, I should share one thing to all of you, that once when in my last college, I asked one boy that, do you understand Sanskrit? Will you get good marks in Sanskrit? So he told me that, yes ma'am, I'll get, it's very easy ma'am, I am able to understand, I can write. But I said that you are making mistakes, you have still some mistakes, though you are confident, it's very good thing, but see, you have some mistakes. I shown him his notes and I told that you need little more practice. So you do this. So he said, no ma'am, I'll get 25. Then I got little angry and I asked him, how will you get full marks if you have so many mistakes? So he said that, ma'am, definitely they'll give down, no, 25. So in down I'll get 25, ma'am. He said in this jokey way. So this is the memorable moment from that child's word, and we laughed that this was the joke in my life. Okay, so children, confidence is good, but overconfidence is not at all good. So keep on practicing and do your best. So here Kavi Parichaya, idam vakyam mahakavina Kalidasena virachite मायावटुः इति पाठ्यभागे अस्ति. इदं पाठ्यं भागः कुमारसम्भवः नामक महाकाव्यस्य पंचमसर्गात् स्वीकृतः. Now सन्दर्भः. यदा ईश्वरः पार्वत्याः तपसः सन्तुष्टः, यदा means when, ईश्वरः means Lord Shiva got happy with Parvati's tapasya and question answering, the way of answering and the confidence in Lord Shiva, he got very happy and santushta tada kavi vadati. These words tell. Then Parvati became very beautiful as early as she was when she was there before starting the meditation. Okay, she was again no dust, no dirty face, nothing, and she got like a new beautiful look again. So punar navatam means again she got a new look. Bhavaha Ishvara anugraham prapta. Anugraham means boon. Prapta Parvati swa tapascharana kale anubhutam kleshaha sarva vismritya. Whatever the exhaust, tiredness, the hard work, whatever she did while she was doing meditation, she forgot all those things, and again she felt very energetic and very she became very beautiful. All the hard work, all the things that she did while she was doing in tapasya, the कष्ट जो भी उन्होंने प्राप्त किया, everything she forgot and she became very happy. So Ishvara anuragaham prapta Parvati swa tapascharana kale anubhutam means whatever she experienced while she was doing meditation, she forgot all the stress and strain, and she again become very new energy, with new beauty. She was there in front of Lord Shiva. Ishvara anuragaham prapta Parvati swa tapascharana kale anubhutam kleshaha sarva vismritya. Sarvam vismritya, everything she forgot, whatever ఏ కష్టాలు పడారో ఆవిడ అన్నీ మర్చిపోయి, everything she forgot, అన్నీ మర్చిపోయి కొత్తదనంగా తను ఈశ్వరుడి ముందు ఉన్నారట. ఆ క్లేశం సర్వం విస్మృత్య నూతనోత్సాహ, విత్ న్యూ ఎనర్జీ ప్రాప్తవతి, అన్నీ వదిలేసి కొత్త ఎనర్జీతో ఆవిడ ఉన్నారట. సో హియర్ kleshaha, children, in this class particularly in Sanskrit, it's not that I'll tell you in English only, I'll go with Hindi, I'll go with Telugu, whatever you feel that ma'am it's good in understand, I'm ready to tell you in that only. So here, okay, so next class I'll try to tell you one story, good story, the moral giving story I'll tell. Okay, so next class I hope. Okay, I can't promise, but I'll tell you a story. But meanwhile, you be prepared with all these 4 annotations. Last class we have done 1 mark questions and 2 marks question, very easy. Nothing is tough with those questions. And this is the annotation, 4 annotations. Prati oka annotation lo oka word meeku untundi. That this is the word from, yes, this is the word, this is related to that lesson. Definitely it will be there. You just identify and make a mark in your mind that it is, this sentence is from that lesson, and the by heart and practice. Okay, so this is all about your class. You practice well. If you practice more, you feel that subject is easy. If you feel that subject is easy, more interest you can put in the subject. If you put more interest in the subject, definitely it is easy for you, isn't it? So with these words, we'll meet in next class again, and I'll come with a new story. Okay, so children, thank you.